Hey everybody, who's ready for the next book? This one called The Flea's Sneeze. See all these animals? Do you know what a flea is, right? A flea is a tiny, tiny little bug. It likes to live in the fur of animals. Let's find out. The Flea's Sneeze. What are you doing, Mr. Flea? On a dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. There they all are in the barn, all asleep. Asleep on the hillside. Wonder what one of these animals is going to wake up first. You guys should know. Mr. Rooster. He'll say cock-a-doodle-doo, won't he? Anyway, they're all asleep. A rat, a cat. Can you find all the animals as Grandma reads it? A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Yeah, there it is. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. I don't even see the flea. Let's find out where he is. No one heard him cough. Oh, there he is. He's on the mouse, and the mouse is still sleeping. No one heard him cough, not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Supposedly the flea is using the mouse for his house, but they're so tiny you can't see them. Let's see what happens next. No one heard him sniffle. It sounds like he has a runny nose. No one heard him sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Poor little flea. Oh, there he is. I see him. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Sounds like he has a stuffed up nose. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. He's coughed, he's hacked, he's sniffled his nose. No wonder he can't sleep. Sounds like he's sick. Then, suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Oh my goodness. It scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed, meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, roo, 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 and sprayed the hog, who screamed, ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. Do you know what doze means? When you doze off, it means he's starting to fall asleep. Does he look sleepy? Or is he still waiting for the Kleenex? For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. Oh no. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Uh-oh. Sounds like the flea got the hog sick. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed the book.